Okay, so friends, back again. So it is exercise 2.3, cbse class 10 maths, polynomials, exercise 2.3. So it is problem number 1. So it is regarding problems of division of polynomials. Okay, now there are three problems. So p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. G of x is x square minus 2. So we have to divide p of x by g of x and find out the remainder. Okay, now here I just remind you that, just recollect that division algorithm, like when one polynomial p of x is there, when that divides g of x, a q of x quotient will come. So therefore g of x into q of x plus r of x, some remainder, that is equal to p of x. Like it is similar to that of a ordinary division. Okay, I'll show you one time. You can see here. Suppose here p of x is given. P of x is given. Now we have to divide this with g of x. Okay. Now p of x with g of x we are dividing. So you will get a quotient, that is q of x. So after all doing this, we will get some remainder, that is r of x. Therefore p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, so this will be. Now remember that r of x will be always what is the degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial means it is the highest power of the variable in the given polynomial. Okay, so when you keep all this in descending order, okay, in an increasing or descending order, what is the highest degree of a variable is the degree of that polynomial. So here what it says is g of x into q of x plus r of x. So always this remainder will be, whose degree will be always less than g of x. Okay, so less than g of x, or you can say, see here, p of x, g of x, r of x is 0, the remainder can be 0, or the degree of r x will be less than g of x. Okay, now this is what we are seeing. Like similarly, if I take a number, some number by another number, say for example, if you take 25 divided by 3 I have taken, say. So how much? 3 8s are 24. So remainder is 1. Now what way we can write 25? 25 is equal to 3 into 8 plus 1. It is also same that this is p of x, g of x, and this is g of x. This is p of x. We are getting q of x here, and we are getting here r of x, right? So therefore same like 25, p of x polynomial equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here only the thing is that, see, the polynomial p of x should be the greater degree than the g of x, or at least maybe the same. Okay, so that it can, g of x divides p of x. Like we are taken 25 is there, we are dividing with 3. Okay, that means this number will be less than this 25. Then we can divide. Similarly here also the g of x degree should be the less than p of x. Right. So now our whole exercise and whole chapter depends on this only. So therefore the first problem is p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. We have to divide this with x square minus 2. Same. X square minus 2 we have taken. So here the very simple rule is, see that always we should choose this x here, the number here. This already I solved, I am just explaining you. This x, how I have chosen is, if I multiply this and this, see that the first term will be cancelled, means 0 should come when I subtract. Okay, so if I take x here, x into x square, x cube, so therefore I can, when I subtract, I can cancel these two. Okay, that means remainder is 0 in this first column. Okay, remaining column can be 0 or it can be some number left over, right? So x I have taken, so that thinking that x cube will become 0. So x into x square is x cube. Okay, so then x into x square, this also x multiplies, like means you know that x is multiplies this whole x square minus 2, x cube minus 2x, x cube minus 2x. So here y have written 0, there is no x square term is coming, therefore I just kept here 0. So therefore it is x into minus 2 is minus 2x. So if I subtract this one, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, so therefore this plus 5 into 7x, this will cancel, and minus 3x square. So this as it is I have copied down, this is minus 3, therefore remainder is minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. But x square is there, this also x square. So as I told you that this is the remainder is r of x, this is g of x. So therefore r of x will be always less than g of x. Till that point we can divide. So therefore I can take another minus 3. So it is minus 3 into this x square minus 2 is minus 3x square. Of course, as there is no x term, I kept 0. So minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. So this will become plus here. This is plus, this is minus. When I subtract, this will cancel. Both will cancel, and 7x will have taken 3 minus 3 minus 6, so minus 3. So this is the remainder. So therefore this is coefficient and this is the remainder. Okay, hope you understood. And the second problem, what is second problem is given is p of x is x square x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So p of x I have written it right because there are, see, in a polynomial highest degree is 4, therefore fourth degree polynomial, but there are some missing terms are there, means after fourth degree there should be x cube should be there, third degree variable should be there, but it is not there. Because of that not there, I have taken 0 into x cube I have written to have some order. So x power 4 0 into x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So fourth degree, third, second, 1 and 0. So this is the polynomial order. So therefore I am given that divisor is x square plus 1 minus x, that I have rewritten x square minus x plus 1. So now I am dividing. Same I have taken x square with multiplied, I got x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. So this is 0, because it is just 0 only, that I have written as 0 into x cube. So this is minus, as I told, this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So this will get cancelled. So minus in 0 into x cube is 0, plus x cube, this minus 3x square and minus x square minus 4x square, this I have copied down, brought down. So this I have taken plus x. So that always remember that first term will be get cancelled. So that what I should assume that here, so that the first term cancels. X square is there, no x I assume. So x cube minus x square plus x. So these two will cancel, and remaining is minus 4x square minus x square. That minus will become plus here. Therefore, this is plus. Okay, this is plus. Therefore, plus x square minus 4 square minus 3x square, and plus x will become minus. So it is plus 3x and plus 5. This is the remainder. Now again it can cancel because both are same degree is there. Again I can think with minus 3. So minus 3x is minus into this x square is how much it became. So this is minus, sorry, this is minus 3x square. Okay, and just a minute. One minute. What it is? So this is minus, correct? So minus, and this plus, this is minus. So therefore this is minus, of course this will be plus. Okay, so this minus and this plus will get cancelled, and plus 3x and minus 6 is 0, and plus 5 and plus 3 it is 8. So remainder is 8. Quotient is x square minus x square plus x minus 3 is the quotient, and this is the remainder, right? Okay, what about the third problem is p of x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, that I have rewritten as x power 4 plus 0 into x square minus 5x and plus x. Because x cube term is not required, therefore I have not written. Why I not required, I will show here. This is the 2 minus x square. I have just changed it, written as minus x square plus 2. So now I am dividing. Just x power 4 we should get first term. So with what I should divide? So minus x square, because minus x square into minus 4, x power 4. So x power 4 and this minus 2x square. So both will get cancelled, and this is minus 2x square will become plus here. So therefore it's plus 2x square. Okay, plus 2x square. This is minus x plus 6 I have written down here, because it is 0 here. This plus will become minus, both cancels, minus will become plus 2x square minus 5x, and this is brought down, this is brought down. Okay, right? Now this and this is brought down. Now I have taken again with minus 2, so that this will become minus into minus plus 2x square, and it is, there is no x term, therefore written 0. Minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. So therefore this becomes minus, so it cancels. This becomes minus 0 is minus 0, minus 5x is minus 5x only, plus 6 into this minus 4 will become plus, this is plus. So therefore this is how much it becomes. This is plus 4 is there, this is plus will become, so 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Hope you understood. So we'll stop here.